I don't know why you get scared of me opening boxes with knives.
I do the same thing with Jasmine. It's because she sucks at using knives.
Because you like to manhandle them.
Knives?
Yeah, you.
I'm-
I don't know. It's just. It makes me panic. No, you can mess up your brother. No, just go ahead and get your stuff here.
Yep.
Like,
What you doing? And what? A knife would be so much easier than some dull scissors. In fact, hey, Maddie, you know the rule of it's easier to cut. It's easier to cut yourself with a dull knife.
I know that, but those are scissors.
Yeah, they're
They're
scissors.
for children, so they're meant to be safe.
Yeah, but they're when I jab a metal, slightly sharp object in a certain direction, it's not fun or easy. Thank you.
Are you really just gonna do a video talking to Fleshy?
Well, I wasn't planning on it.
Hey, talk to him.
Wires everywhere. Sorry about that.
Whoa, that is not smooth.
That is tall.
Look how much bigger it is than me. It's as big as this in your head. Is it gonna fit on the shelf?
Oh, we'll find out. Alright. Oh, crud.
Just tear it off. I'm gonna keep the tissue paper.
I don't know why I'm like that.
Show them the picture.
Boom. Boom.
Her ass looks great.
Boom. They have the little circle for it.
That's why I said it looked great.
So it was the front, alright. Oh god.
Blood in Darkness?
What?
Blood in Darkness?
Nope.
Worse.
Power. Power.
Would you rather sleep with power or darkness?
Ooh, darkness all the way.
Dark.
Bro, dude. She'll say some dumb shit, and I'll be like, yo, Cosmo's my bro.
She'd be like,
And he punches.
she'd be expecting it.
No, you should be hoping for it, you know?
hoping for it.
Shit.
Hoping for it.
Like, you know, in the books and stuff like that, Cosmo wants to fuck this shit out of darkness, but he thinks that she's way too much for him. Like goes hard on herself.
It's a
every
manhwa?
night. Or not manga.
Manga, I was about to say.
Like on the
I thought it
manga.
was a novel.
It was a novel, and then I think there's also a manga
Like,
for it.
apparently she fucking schmeats her meat every single night.
What the fuck?
Hard as fuck. And that's why Cosmo doesn't try shit with her. He's like, you know, I want booty, but I want normal booty.
It's like, I'm too vanilla for this.
That's why the person that he's mostly kind of gets like has feelings for is fucking Megumi.
I was thinking that Goddess Eris.
Oh yeah, well, yeah, he likes her, but she's a goddess who he actually respects. Some of that was funny. I'm leaving that in.
Okay, get my being so careful. Why are you being so slow?
Well, because this thing's actually kind of hard to pull.
I'm gonna hold it down. Stay close.
There we go.
Okay.
Ow. Okay. Oh god. Boom. All right. Holy shit. I didn't
You're
really.
still taped down.
I'll admit some other stuff to some people. Other than the Mitsuri, this is my first like official scale
There's tape over it.
figure. Oh yeah, I didn't see that. With the knife. Oh, here it is.
Use
Fine.
Tape.
Oh, it's 2 layers of tape. Alright, there we go. Man, they really packaged this thing in. And holy shoot, man! Pictures don't do it justice when you actually see a 4th scale. Because honest to God, I've never actually seen a 4th scale other than like the Meat City. Like I've seen like boxes for other 4th scales. I don't recall ever. Let me put her on her stand though. What the hell?
William, let me see it.
Hold on. Like, shouldn't that go?
It goes
Oh,
in
it goes
your
like that.
foot.
Okay. I was so confused. Be very careful.
Hold him. Hold him.
Alright, there we go. Oh, but the.
I'm being careful. I'm doing it slowly and carefully.
Don't whack me with her.
She would love that.
And now the ears are kind of. Hold on. All right, well, we got the ears in. Let me put those in here, I guess.
Still not in.
Yeah.
Pull
Well,
her up again.
all right. Hold up. Let me just put this back.
Oh.
It's not the right shape.
It's not just the right shape, it's that you could see part of the, like where they cut. It's not a complete cut.
Huh. That's weird.
Stare down gently real quick. Okay,
I'm gonna move you.
I'm gonna suggest you do this, but I think you should cut these parts out. I think that's
If
what's stopping
I had a drill bit, like, hold on.
Yeah, but
So yeah, some of the paint at the bottom is kind of covering the hole,
yeah,
which is what we're trying to scrape off right now. All right.
that was a lot.
Okay, yeah, that would explain it. That's a decent amount of paint that we just cut out.
It helped.
It worked. Now let's get her other foot on.
I told you.
Booyah! Now get her ears in.
I told you.
All right.
It was the paint.
Okay, got the right one.
I told you. I told you.
Woo! All right, bunny power. Woo! Bunny power.
You're welcome.
Oh.
This is like the second time I helped you put a figure on a stand.
What was the first one again?
It was your super expensive fate one with the fancy cover.
Oh, I don't
The
think.
painter chick.
Yeah, I don't think it was getting her on the base. It was putting her like fancy outfit on her leg. That was the problem.
It
But
was
wow, now looking at this, holy crap, that's nuts. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. All right, so I'm gonna take photos of her now, and then hold on. I'm gonna take photos of her now, and then we'll figure out where we can fit her in her room, because that's probably the biggest problem is fitting her in her room.
You really should look at the ass.
I'll take a picture of it. So, hope you all enjoyed. Leave a like if you if you did. And you'll see me in the next video. Peace out.